Today I'm bringing you another option of 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Orchid Lekki, Lagos. So we have 5 bedroom here, and also we have 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex. So today I'm focusing more on the 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex. So you can see that we have a lot of units here. We are just in the final stage of the construction. You can still see the scaffolding here because we are painting, but we have about 8 units that are completed and even some sold already. So today we are touring this 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex right here. So for the 5 bedroom, we have some coming with swimming pool and without swimming pool. Now walk with me, let's go see the options. And also this 4 bedroom, these houses, they are coming on 2 floors. Like all the rooms are literally spacious, absolutely spacious. So we have them on 2 floors. We have 2 living rooms, one on the ground floor and one on the first floor. And also we have the mini living room upstairs. So come with me, let's go see this house. You love this house, trust me, you're gonna enjoy watching this video. Now let's go see the house. Now welcome to the 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex. You can see you have your compound space here, and this can contain about 2 cars right here. So this is your compound space. So you have it is stamped already. I told you that this house, this 4 bedroom, is coming on 2 floors. So come in with me, let's go see it. Welcome to the living room. So the living room is very, it's spacious. So this is the first living room on the ground floor. This is the first living room on the ground floor. Fantastic. Coming with a TV console. You have your powder room right here. Welcome to your kitchen. This kitchen is coming fully equipped. Sorry, they are yet to fix some of the fittings here. So it's coming fully fitted. The wash hand basin, double 5-burner cooker, heat expeller, oven, microwave, all here for you. So also it's coming with this kitchen island. Now let's go to the first floor. Like I said, this house is on 2 floors. So this is the first floor right here. This is where you have your family lounge. You can see your TV console, and here on the first floor, we have the 2 rooms here. So this is the first room by my left, sorry. So this is the first room here, coming en suite, and also it is coming with a balcony. Now on the first floor, we have the second room by my right here. So this one is more spacious. I don't know why. So this room is more spacious. You can see that. So the rooms are all en suite, and then coming with the bathroom here. Very beautiful. It's so spacious. Now welcome to the second floor. Welcome to the primary suite. I don't know, this primary suite looks exactly like the 3rd room I showed you on the second floor here. The only difference is the wider closet here. I think this is bigger and wider, more storage spaces here. So you can see, so you have more storage spaces, and also it's coming with a balcony for your view here, and then also It's coming with a bigger toilet here as per the primary suite. So in the bathroom, we have the bathtub, we have the washing hand basin, we have the walk-in shower, and the toilet seater right here. Now you might be wondering how much this property is in the market. This property is in the market for 260 million naira. Remember, I said this is 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Orchid Lekki on 2 floors. On 2 floors here, and very spacious. All rooms are en suite. 2 living room here, 1 on ground floor and 1 on the first floor. And then we have a balcony on the first floor and the second floor for your view here and your ventilation as well. Now, let's see your view from here. You can see that this is absolutely beautiful to see. This is a good sight to behold. Now, if you're here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do so. And also, we are just a call away from you, as we promise you the best listings. Please, we want to make this, have to make this December very memorable for yourself and family by getting a suitable home for you and your family. Okay, so this property is right here in the market, and also you can see that we've sold some units, so it is fast going in the market right now. So my name is Amrai. If this property interests you, we are just a call away from you. So all you need to do is just to call us, and we'll be delighted to bring you here for inspection, as that is my job. Please put your concern on the comment section, share this video, like and subscribe, as that encourages me a lot. So thank you for watching this video. I am Amrai. Until you see me on your screen again. Bye-bye.